Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the previous video, we discussed about the ngClass directive, which is used to dynamically adding classes to our HTML elements. In this video, we are going to use the ngStyle directive and how it's used. So basically, the ngStyle directive is similar to ngClass directive, but the difference is that it is used, the ngClass directive is used to add dynamic classes, but the ngStyle directive is used to add dynamic styles to our HTML elements. For example, if we have a paragraph tag and we want to change the color of this paragraph tag based on a condition, then we can use the ngStyle directive. And the syntax is similar to the ngClass directive, but the difference is the ngStyle is used with the ngStyle directive, which is the ng and the style property. And here we can say anything like color of type or its value is blue, and here we can say hello world. So now if we go to the browser and serve the application, so as you can see, the color of that paragraph tag is now changed to blue. Now if we go to there inside the console, you will see that the style is now changed to the color of tab blue. Now we can add as many styles to our HTML elements as we want. Like here we can say the background color should be like the sky blue. So the background color is now applied to it, and all the colors are now applied through the style tag. So in here the style ngStyle directive becomes the style inside the DOM. Now if we add one more thing like border 2px solid pink, so all the styles are being applied to our HTML elements. We can also do that, like here we can say width.px of, like here we can say 20, and then height.px after here, so we can say it the px. So as you can see, the height is now also applied with the class having the pixels up to 100. Now if we remove this, let's see what happens. So this is not applied because this we have different methods of using the pixels. Like either we can use it here, or like this is applied to it now, or we can directly set it to here inside the value. So these are two ways of using the style with the px values, or anything like .rem or anything. So this is a little bit about the ngStyle directive, which is used to add dynamic styles to our HTML elements. Now if we want to add a style based on condition, then we can, like here we will define any property like show the color red of type boolean is equal to now we will say show the color boolean of type this, otherwise this. Now we want to be the color red should be applied if we have set this property to true. Now we can set it to, like here we will say color red. Now if this property is set to true, or this style will be applied, otherwise this style will be applied which is on the second side. So our first style is being applied from the ngStyle directive because the condition was true. Now if we set this condition, the show the color red, to false, it should be from the second style, which is coming from the second style, which is the color blue background, sky blue border, this. Now if we use it inside the single quotes, then we can also use that, or we can remove the single quotes from the properties of the styles. So this was a little bit about the ngStyle directive, which is used to conditionally or dynamically adding styles to our HTML elements. So thanks for watching the video and stay tuned for more video lectures like this one.